In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and manage teams in HubSpot, including where to find users, seats, teams, and permission settings. First, let's get to the right place in your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, open Users and Teams. This brings you straight to the Users page, which is home base for everything we'll cover. Before we add anyone, take a moment to understand what you're seeing here. The Users view lists everyone in your account, with quick insight into who's active and who isn't. You'll also see Seats, which shows how many paid seats are available and how many are currently used. Teams gives you a snapshot of your team structure, and Permission Sets let you manage role-based access. You may also see Presets, which are predefined permission configurations you can apply quickly. Along the top or in Filters, you can view active users, inactive users, pending invites, and deactivated users. Pending invites are people who've been invited but haven't accepted yet, which is useful for tracking onboarding. To create a new user, click Create User. Enter the user's email address carefully to avoid invitation issues. Assign a seat if your subscription requires one. This determines access to paid tools. Then choose a permission set, which defines what the user can view and edit. When you're ready, click Send Invite. The person will receive an email prompting them to join HubSpot, and they'll appear as pending until they accept. Next, let's place that user into a team. Go to the Teams tab. If you don't have a team yet, click Create Team, give it a clear, descriptive name, and save. Head back to Users, click the user's name, and under Team Membership, select their team. Click Save. Teams help with ownership, routing, reporting, and can influence permissions, so setting this correctly keeps your workspace organized. Finally, manage access through permission sets. Open permission sets and either choose an existing set or create a new one tailored to your needs. Here, you control access to key areas like contacts, deals, marketing, and automation. Keep permissions aligned with responsibilities. Start with a preset if available, then refine it so users have exactly what they need. After configuring, assign the permission set to the appropriate users to put it into effect. And that's how you add users and manage teams in HubSpot, including seats and permissions. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.